Avocado oil. It's the darling of the culinary world, celebrated for its rich flavor and impressive health benefits. But store-bought avocado oil? Expensive. Making your own avocado oil at home is surprisingly easy, budget-friendly, and allows for complete control over the quality of your ingredients. Plus, the process is fun. You transform ordinary avocados into culinary gold. Homemade avocado oil is versatile. Use it for high-heat cooking, salad dressings, or as a finishing touch. Its mild flavor enhances the taste of food without overpowering it. And let's not forget the satisfaction of creating something delicious and healthy in your own kitchen. Avocado oil is not just a trendy ingredient, it's a powerhouse of nutrients. Rich in monounsaturated fats, it supports heart health and helps reduce bad cholesterol levels. It's also packed with antioxidants like vitamin E, which can help protect your cells from damage. When you make your own avocado oil, you ensure that no preservatives or additives are included. This means you're getting pure, unadulterated oil, which is not always guaranteed with store-bought versions. The cost of store-bought avocado oil can add up quickly, especially if you use it regularly. By making it at home, you can save a significant amount of money over time. The process of making avocado oil is straightforward. All you need are ripe avocados, a blender, and a few simple tools. You can even get creative and experiment with different methods to find the one that works best for you. There's something incredibly rewarding about making your own food from scratch. It connects you to the ingredients and the process, making the final product even more enjoyable. Once you've made your avocado oil, the possibilities are endless. Use it in your favorite recipes, or try it in new dishes to add a unique twist. Homemade avocado oil is not just for cooking. It can also be used in skincare routines, thanks to its moisturizing properties. It's a versatile product that can enhance both your meals and your self-care rituals. Whether you're sautéing vegetables, drizzling it over a fresh salad, or using it as a base for marinades, homemade avocado oil is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Its mild, buttery flavor complements a wide range of dishes, making it a versatile ingredient that you'll reach for again and again. And the best part? You know exactly what's in it. No hidden ingredients, no surprises, just pure, delicious avocado oil. So why not give it a try? Making your own avocado oil is a rewarding experience that brings both culinary and health benefits. Enjoy the process and the delicious results. Before embarking on your avocado oil extraction adventure, gather the necessary tools and ingredients. Don't worry, no specialized equipment is needed. You likely already have most of these items in your kitchen. For this culinary adventure, you'll need ripe avocados, water, a pot, a blender, a fine mesh sieve, cheesecloth, optional, a jar, and some patience. That's it. Remember, the quality of your avocados directly impacts the quality of your oil. Opt for ripe Hass avocados for the best flavor and oil yield. Now, the moment you've been waiting for, extracting the liquid gold. Avocado oil is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients and health benefits. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of making this wonderful oil at home. The process is straightforward and involves a few simple steps. With a little patience and the right technique, you can extract pure avocado oil right in your kitchen. First, wash and dry your avocados. This ensures that any dirt or residues are removed, giving you a clean start. Cut them in half, remove the pits, and scoop the flesh into a blender. Make sure to get as much of the avocado flesh as possible for maximum yield. Add a small amount of water to help with blending. The water helps to create a smoother mixture, making the blending process easier. Blend until you achieve a smooth, creamy consistency. This step is crucial as it ensures that the oil can be easily separated later on. Pour this mixture into a pot and simmer over low heat, stirring occasionally. The gentle heat helps to release the oil from the avocado pulp. As the mixture heats, you'll notice the oil separating and rising to the top. This is the moment when the magic happens and you can see the pure avocado oil forming. Choosing the right avocados is crucial for high-quality oil. Look for avocados that are slightly soft to the touch but not mushy. The skin should be dark purple, almost black. Avoid avocados with bruises or blemishes. These imperfections can affect the flavor and quality of your oil. Remember, ripe avocados yield more oil. If your avocados are slightly underripe, leave them at room temperature for a day or two to ripen further. Section 5. Safety first. Handling heat and handling with care. In this section, we will explore the importance of managing heat carefully while cooking, especially when dealing with delicate ingredients like avocados. When simmering the avocado mixture, be patient and maintain low heat. This gentle approach ensures that the nutrients and flavors are preserved, giving you a richer and more wholesome final product. High heat can scorch the oil, imparting an unpleasant flavor. Burnt oil not only affects the taste, but can also release harmful compounds, making your dish less healthy. Stir frequently to prevent sticking. Regular stirring helps to evenly distribute the heat and prevents the mixture from sticking to the bottom of the pot, which can cause burning and uneven cooking. Once the oil has separated, allow the mixture to cool slightly before straining. Cooling helps to handle the mixture safely and ensures that the oil and pulp separate more effectively. Use a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to separate the oil from the pulp. This step is crucial for achieving a clear, pure oil, free from any solid residues. Be careful when handling hot liquids to avoid burns. Hot oil in mixtures can cause severe burns, so always handle with caution and use appropriate tools. Wear oven mitts when necessary, and allow the mixture to cool adequately before handling. Oven mitts provide an extra layer of protection, ensuring that you can handle hot pots and pans safely. Always prioritize safety to prevent accidents in the kitchen. Section 6. Liquid gold in storage, keeping your oil fresh and vibrant. Congratulations! You've successfully extracted your very own avocado oil. Now let's talk storage. Proper storage is crucial for maintaining the quality and freshness of your oil. Transfer the strained oil into a clean, dry jar. Store it in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and heat. For optimal freshness, use your homemade avocado oil within a few weeks. Over time, the oil may lose its vibrant flavor and aroma. Section 7. Beyond the kitchen avocado oil for skin and hair. Avocado oil isn't just for cooking. It's a powerhouse of nutrients beneficial for your skin and hair. Its moisturizing properties make it an excellent natural moisturizer. Massage a few drops of avocado oil onto your skin for a healthy glow. You can also use it as a hair mask to nourish and condition your locks. Section 8. Cost-effective and delicious. The joys of homemade avocado oil. Making your own avocado oil is a rewarding experience. It's a cost-effective way to enjoy this culinary treasure, knowing exactly what's in your food. The process is simple, requiring minimal effort and basic kitchen tools. Plus, the satisfaction of creating something delicious and healthy from scratch is unmatched. Section 9. Conclusion. Embrace the avocado oil revolution. So there you have it, a simple guide to making your own avocado oil. Embrace the joy of homemade and enjoy the rich flavor and numerous health benefits of this culinary gem. Experiment with different avocado varieties, explore its versatility in the kitchen, and experience the difference of homemade. Happy cooking! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more DIY tips.